interface serial 0/0/0. Here we can see encapsulation frame relay. Now the default WAN protocol HDLC can be changed into frame relay. Okay, in router 1, 2 and 3, all the router we can change that WAN protocol. Go to that particular interface serial 0/0/0, encapsulation frame relay. In router 2 we can change that WAN protocol, encapsulation frame relay. Interface serial 0/0/0, encapsulation frame relay. Okay, now we can configure the frame relay. Now we can assign the IP address to all the router. So frame relay is a collection of DCNs. So all the DCNs are connected to the cloud and DTNs are connected to the router. So normally we can connect the DCN, means we can apply the clock rate, but it is an DTN. So in DTN we can apply the bandwidth. In bandwidth we can give 1 to 10 lakhs up to 10 lakhs kilobytes we can give. By default here we can give 64. Okay, first of all we can go to the router, we can assign the IP address and we can change that WAN protocol, default WAN protocol HDLC into frame relay. Now we can give the bandwidth. Here we can see 1 to 10 lakhs up to 10 lakhs bandwidth in kilobytes we can give. By default I will give 64. Enter. Okay, now we can configure the frame relay. Here we can see DELC. The expansion of DELC is data link connection identifier. So using DELC only we can send the packet from source to destination. In local area network we can use the MAC address, we can send the packet from source to destination. In serial interface it cannot be generated the MAC address. So instead of MAC address we can use the DELC value, we can send the data from source to destination. So the DELC range is 16 to 1007. So in that range only we can give. Here we can see DELC in router 0 we can use the DELC 100, 101 and 102. Using 100, router 0 can send the packet from router 0 to router 1, that is head office to branch office 1, and DELC 101 is used to send the packets from head office to branch office 2, and DELC 102 is used to send the packets from head office to branch office 3. We can configure. Okay, the syntax for configuring static frame relay is frame relay map space IP. Here router 0, that is head office, can send the packets to the branch office. So this router WAN IP address is 200.200.200.2. So we can give frame relay map space IP 200.200.200.2. Then we can give the DELC value. So the DELC value is 100. Using 100 the packets can send from head office to branch office. So we can give 100. Next we can give the broadcast, because by default in frame relay concept non-broadcast multi-access, so it will not support the broadcast. So instead of that we can give the broadcast. Enter. Next, frame relay map space IP, then head office to branch office 2. So the branch office 2 router 2 IP address is 200.200.200.3 and DELC value is 100. Is using 100 we can send the packets from head office to branch office 1. So 101 is used to send the packets from head office to branch office 2. So here we can give 101, then we can give broadcast. Next, frame relay map space IP 200.200.200.4, that is branch office 3 router 3 IP address is 200.200.200.4. So the DELC value is 102. So here we can give 102, then we can give broadcast. Exit. Okay, first of all we can map that. So in router 0 using DELC value, 3 DELC value, DELC 100, 101 and 102. So head office, from the head office to branch office we can send the data, means using the DELC value 100 we can send the packets from head office to branch office. So we can give frame relay space map space IP, then IP address. The IP address is branch office 1 router 1 IP address 200.200.200.2 and del C value is 100. Then we can give the broadcast. Then we can send the packets from head office to branch office 2 means, so the frame relay map IP, then branch office to router 2 IP address is 200.200.200.3, so the del C value is 101. Then we can give the broadcast. Next, head office to branch office 3, so again we can give